A chilled can of Diet Coke, a glass of red wine, or a triple chocolate frappuccino? Do you know what good or bad these beloved drinks can do to your intermittent fasting results? Well, the fact is that drinks you take during the fasting window are really important in the long run. Intermittent fasting would not yield the exceptional benefits like sustainable weight loss, body sculpting, health improvement, and even 30% increase in your lifespan unless you consume some vital permissible drinks during your fasting. And majority of the people who start intermittent fasting just miss out on this critical aspect. But today, through this video, we are going to change it for our Shape Squad community. Today, we are going to reveal the 8 best drinks to make your intermittent fasting journey highly effective. And importantly, we're keeping it all super simple and easy for you. There are no hard words or complicated stuff in the video. Just clear, simple info that you can use for your betterment. Stick with us after you've watched this till the end. The words, "Will this drink break my fast?" will never again pass your lips. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. Starting off, number 1, mineral water. Did you know? During intermittent fasting, mineral water is not only a permissible drink, but also a highly beneficial one. Mineral water, unlike distilled or tap water, is enriched with natural minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals are not typically found in other types of water and contribute significantly to overall health. Magnesium, for instance, plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and proper heart function. Calcium is crucial for bone strength and health. Research supports the health benefits of mineral water, indicating both short-term and long-term advantages. Consuming mineral water has been linked to improved bone health, which is particularly important as you age. It can also aid in reducing blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. A common concern with intermittent fasting is whether certain drinks will break the fast. The good news is that the minerals in mineral water do not disrupt fasting. They do not contain calories or sugars that could trigger an insulin response, which is the key in maintaining the fasting state. Moving to my favorite in the list. Number 2, black coffee. Yes, black coffee is an excellent beverage to consume during intermittent fasting. It contains virtually no calories, which is key in maintaining the fasted state. Drinking black coffee won't spike your insulin levels, an important aspect of successful fasting. Not only is black coffee low in calories, but it also offers several benefits that can enhance your fasting experience. Caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee, can really help boost your metabolism. This can potentially aid in fat burning, a desired effect during fasting. Furthermore, caffeine can help in suppressing appetite, making it easier to maintain your fast. However, it's important to drink black coffee in moderation. Excessive caffeine can lead to restlessness or sleep disturbances. Also, ensure that your coffee is black. Adding sugar, milk, or cream introduces calories and could disrupt the fasting process. Black coffee is more than just a stimulant. It's rich in antioxidants and has been linked to various health benefits, including improved brain function and a lower risk of certain diseases. Do you love coffee? Do tell your choice in the comments. Number 3, Diet Coke. Diet Coke is a common beverage choice for those practicing intermittent fasting due to its zero-calorie content. Since it doesn't contain calories, it technically doesn't break a fast in terms of energy intake. This makes it a tempting option for those looking to satisfy their sweet tooth without consuming actual sugar. However, it's important to consider that Diet Coke contains artificial sweeteners. These sweeteners, while calorie-free, can sometimes trigger cravings for more sweet or calorie-dense foods. This reaction can make maintaining the fasting period more challenging for some individuals. Additionally, the caffeine content in Diet Coke provides a temporary energy boost and can help suppress appetite. But excessive consumption of caffeine, especially in the form of soda, may lead to dehydration or sleep disturbances. So, be careful with your consumption quantities. Number 4, green tea. Green tea is a highly recommended beverage for intermittent fasting. It has minimal calories, making it ideal for maintaining the fasted state. Drinking green tea won't cause insulin spikes, which is crucial for an effective fasting process. Green tea is celebrated not just for its low-calorie content, but also for its health benefits. It contains catechins, a type of antioxidant, which can aid in weight loss and boost metabolism. These antioxidants also provide protective health benefits, like reducing inflammation and potentially lowering the risk of certain diseases. Furthermore, green tea has a modest amount of caffeine. This can really help with alertness and concentration, making fasting periods more manageable. However, it's lower in caffeine compared to coffee, reducing the risk of caffeine-related side effects. It's important to consume green tea in its natural form during fasting. Adding sweeteners or milk would introduce calories, potentially breaking the fast. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV, is a highly suitable and beneficial drink for intermittent fasting. It's very low in calories, making it a pretty safe choice during the fasting window. Consuming apple cider vinegar won't disrupt your insulin levels, maintaining the effectiveness of your fast. ACV is known for its potential health benefits, which can complement intermittent fasting. It contains acetic acid, which may help in controlling blood sugar levels and appetite. This can be particularly useful during fasting to manage hunger pangs and cravings. However, it's important to consume apple cider vinegar in moderation. Direct consumption of apple cider vinegar in its undiluted form can be harsh on the teeth and stomach. Typically, a tablespoon diluted in a glass of water is enough. This dilution makes it easier to consume and lessens any potential adverse effects. Apple cider vinegar also aids in digestion and can promote a feeling of fullness. This makes it not just a fasting-friendly drink, but also one that supports digestive health. Have you tried apple cider vinegar for any purposes? Do tell your experience in the comments. Approaching the final 3 on our list. Number 6. Lemon water. Lemon water is a fantastic choice during intermittent fasting. It's incredibly low in calories, meaning it won't significantly impact your insulin levels. This is crucial for maintaining the fasting state, as avoiding insulin spikes is key. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. But there's more. Vitamin C in lemon can help reduce hunger pangs during your fast. This makes lemon water not just a hydrating option, but also a strategic one to manage appetite. You're not just adding taste, you're infusing your water with nutrients while keeping it fasting-friendly. Thus, lemon water is not only a delightful addition to your fasting routine, but also a smart one, aligning seamlessly with the principles of intermittent fasting. Number 7. Black tea. Black tea is another excellent beverage choice for intermittent fasting. Like green tea, it is very low in calories, which makes it ideal for the fasting period. Drinking black tea won't lead to a significant rise in insulin levels, maintaining the fasted state effectively. Black tea offers several benefits that are particularly useful during fasting. It contains flavonoids, antioxidants that promote overall health. These compounds can aid in improving heart health and reducing inflammation. Black tea also has a moderate amount of caffeine, which can provide a gentle energy boost and improve focus, making fasting periods more manageable. However, to reap these benefits during fasting, it's important to drink black tea plain. Adding sugar, milk, or cream can introduce calories and potentially disrupt the fast. Black tea not only serves as a hydrating drink, but also brings a comforting warmth or refreshing coolness, depending on how it's served. This versatility makes it a pleasant beverage choice during fasting windows. And the final beverage is here. Number 8. Sparkling water. Yes, sparkling water is a great option for those engaged in intermittent fasting. It's calorie-free, ensuring that it doesn't disrupt the fasting state. This makes it an ideal drink for those who want to maintain their fast without adding any energy intake. One of the key benefits of sparkling water is its ability to satisfy the craving for carbonated beverages without the added sugars or artificial sweeteners found in sodas. The fizziness of sparkling water can provide a sense of variety and break the monotony of plain water, making it easier to stick to fasting protocols. Moreover, sparkling water is just as hydrating as still water. It can be a refreshing and enjoyable way to ensure adequate hydration during fasting periods. However, it's important to choose sparkling waters that are free of added sugars, artificial flavors, or calories to ensure they are fasting-friendly. Additionally, some people find that the carbonation in sparkling water can help with feelings of fullness, which can be particularly beneficial during a fast to help manage hunger. Have you tried any of these drinks during your fasting journey? Do share your experience in the comments with the Shape Squad community. And friends, that wraps up our top 9 drinks for intermittent fasting. We hope you found these insights helpful. and that they add a refreshing twist to your fasting routine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe to Shape Squad for more simple, easy-to-understand health and wellness tips. We're here to help you on your journey to better health. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.